everyone, today we're gonna change this wall into this one.
We're gonna show you step by step how we built these two media walls. I don't want to bother you with my voice, and I put some background music, and excuse me for my English in advance, so let's get started. First of all, you will need to prepare the working area, set up your tools. I don't think you need to see this, but I don't want to miss anything. We use thick floor protective paper. I would highly recommend it. So while Sergey is preparing a workspace, our another guy, Sultan, started to assemble TV stand. We use TV stand with a built-in electric fireplace from Amazon. For all materials, tools, expenses, I will leave link down below. I'm taking measurements of both walls and do some calculations. Sergey is starting to cut studs. While I'm installing brackets on the back of the TV to take exact measurements. Here you can see we're bringing the second TV upstairs. Unpacking. We will have 75-inch TV Samsung on the loft. How I said before, we have two media walls in one house. We use a swivel motion mount recommended up to 86-inch TV. Here you can see I'm installing the brackets on the second TV. I'm showing that it comes with like these options of the screws. One is the too short, second is too long, so we have to use some spacers. Two studs, which will be located on the side, we stick transparent LED holders. Transparent, it's important. Secure them with a nail gun. I don't trust double-side tapes. We use Milwaukee M18 bread nailers and 1-inch nails. Now you see how Sergey is setting up laser holder so we can set the laser level at any height. Next step, we're gonna mark the wall using masking tape location of studs. Guys, always check what is behind the wall. Any pipes, laundry drains, AC freon lines, etc. After that, we're starting to build our framing, where we can install LED lights. We hook them with a nail gun, temporary, and then using 3.5 construction screws from the Home Depot secure them directly into the studs in wall, all sides lined up with the laser level. I'm gonna add fast time lapses to show each step. Here you can see the framing installation from beginning to the end. We left 5 inches from each side when we built the framing, from left, right, and from the ceiling. The bottom part, it depends on the baseboard. Location of the middle studs, line it for shelves, you will see later. Second stud from bottom, that's for the TV stand, so you will need to know all your measurements up front. Already moving to the second floor and doing the same job, installing laser holder, putting up the frame on the wall. Now it's time to prepare TV backboard. For this project we need 80-inch by 49, two backboards. For 86-inch TV in the living room it might be a little bit small, but when our customer booked the job, he said he will have 65-inch TV. You can see in the end of the videos samples where we make bigger TV backboards for 86-inch TVs. But here we're not gonna change it because the width of the wall is limited and we still need to fit 3 shelves on each side. And TV stand we brought is 80-inch as well. Little bit about the vacuum cleaner. We use Cyclone dust catcher. It's really convenient with the woodworking. I love it. Highly recommend. Next, checking the LED light strip and install it around wooden framing. Here's a time lapse how easy to hook up the LED strip. Next step is to prepare wood to build framing for backboard. Sides might be visible from angles, so better to paint it into the white color or tape it with the white tape for better reflection. Right now you see how Sultan installing TV wall mount and checking it with his weight. We had an outlet right in the middle and just at the studs, but it's even better because TV wall mount won't stack out too much, what will reduce the pressure on it. Same thing Sergey doing on the second floor. Now we're jumping into one of the most important steps, cutting acoustic panels. We use crack saw. Link will be down below, how I said before. And guys, it's not advertising, but this saw with track is one of my best investment. Little tip, make sure you're cutting with the pushing movements from top to the bottom. You can see the straight cut without chipping veneer. Starting install acoustic panels. Please do not rush and cut them step by step, one by one after each one. Tiny incline or uneven wall or ceiling can mess up your projects or can lead to unexpected expenses, like spending more panels. To secure them on studs, we use same nail gun with the same 1-inch brad nails. Set your nail gun almost all the way deep inside and you won't see any nails on the black felt. Once our framing is covered with the panels, it is time to install TV backboard. But before, don't forget to check the LED lights. By the way, we built the framing with a 5-inch gap from each side, from left, right, and top. The bottom depends on the baseboard. We covered with the panels, and we left 3-inch from the wall up to the panels. So those 2 inches sticking out from the framing, it will be enough to hide the LED strip, and 3-inch will be enough for the perfect glowing. We make 1.5 less each side from backboard for LED lights. It's perfectly enough for glowing. Black panels not the best materials to reflect it, but it is what it is. Many people like black panels, and I would say probably bestseller. The lights we used come in 2 rolls by 25 feet. You see we do some connections with LED lights. Here you can see we use the extension cord with the built-in breaker, 12 amp. Same thing doing on the second floor, putting up the panels. Now it's time to install shelves. We have 3 on each side. Again, all designs are custom. We build 3D modeling and customers choose whatever they want: fireplace, TV stands, shelves, lights, etc. For example, this job we haven't done 3D because customers sent reference from our another project we have built last year, and he said just want it exactly same in the living room and loft on the second floor. Here is a time lapse putting up the panels and backboard. Now both TV backboards installed, and we need to patch holes from screws and brad nails. We use 5-minute drywall patch, mixing it in Ziploc to easily dispose it. We will need just a little bit, so that's pretty enough. While Sergey is patching holes, we started to install both TV stands on second and first floor. This TV stand comes with the 4 separate brackets, what I personally hate, but thank God it comes with a workable template. Hook up the doors, adjusting will be later when fireplace will be installed. Simply set the laser to needed height where to stud and drill holes for the brackets. Install the brackets, but do not over tighten them. The screws, because panels come with a soft acoustic felt and brackets can went deeper than all other panels, and you won't be able to hook up the TV stand. After installation, Check the level. If you use laser level, you won't have any issue with that. Installing electric fireplace and securing with the 4 screws with 2 on each side. Don't forget to hook up the power cord. Meantime, patched holes already dry and ready to sand them. Sand them, make it flush and no feeling difference with your finger from MDF. Next step is apply 2-3 coats of good primer. Right now you see the backboard is ready to paint and we're starting to paint it. In this project we have just painted backboard. There are a lot of options like finish of the paint, gloss backboards, marble backboards, etc. This is a simple project what allows us to finish in one day. Finally, we are hooking up the TV, adjusting the level and position, connect all cords, and done. Came at 9:10 a.m. and finished around 8:40 p.m. Of course, we were lucky that both walls came with the same design, now complex backboard, and truly professional team. We've been doing this project several years, but this is our first video for the YouTube, so please guys let me know what I'm doing wrong. We've just launched our YouTube channel, but we have completed many projects. You can check them out on our Instagram, TVmountLA. To become our contractor in the United States, contact us at www.tvmountla.com. We need more people in different states. Thanks for watching.